Students. Today, I, Prachi Alavadi, your social science teacher, is going to teach you chapter 6 of geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. What do you mean by natural vegetation? Basically, the natural vegetation includes those plants which grow naturally without any human interference, either directly or indirectly. There are different geographical factors which influence the growth and development of natural vegetation. In a region, are latitude of the place, comma, relief and height of land above sea level, climatic conditions, especially the temperature and precipitation, slope of land, and type of soil. As the above factors vary greatly, so is the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is categorized into three parts, that is, forests, grasslands, and shrubs. What are forests? Basically, the regions that have a dense cover of trees and shrubs are called forested areas. Forests normally grow in those regions which have hot and humid climate. Forests have been further categorized into different categories, namely tropical deciduous, tropical evergreen, temperate deciduous, temperate evergreen, coniferous forests, and Mediterranean vegetation. We are going to study all of them in detail. So first of all, we will study about the tropical evergreen forests. The tropical evergreen forests are also known as the tropical rainforests. They are mostly found in Amazon basins of South America, the Congo River basins of Africa, Southeast Asia like Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, etc. In India, the tropical evergreen forests are found along the western slope of Western Ghats in Kerala and Karnataka. Due to favorable climatic conditions, these regions have lush green, thick and multi-layered forests. The trees are so closely spaced that they seem to form a common canopy that does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. Over a small area, hundreds of different species of trees grow side by side. The main hardwood trees in the tropical evergreen forests are rosewood, ebony, mahogany, ivory wood, bamboos, etc. They also have a large variety of wildlife, which includes animals, birds, reptiles, etc. The main animals here are monkeys, gorillas, hippopotamus, and anaconda is one of the largest pythons which dwells here. Next is the tropical deciduous forests. The tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forests. These are mostly found in India, Bangladesh, Thailand, etc. This region experiences seasonal changes in temperature and rainfall. The monsoon region has a distinct dry season in which the trees shed their leaves to prevent the loss of moisture due to transpiration. Different species shed their leaves at different times of the year. Thus, at no point of time the forests are bare. These are the deciduous forests. Most of the trees in the tropical deciduous forests are hardwood trees, which include teak, sal, sesame, deodar, etc. The wood of the hardwood trees is widely used in the making of furniture, as transport and building material, etc. The native wildlife in the tropical deciduous forests include tigers, lions, elephants, leopards, langurs, etc. The next is the temperate evergreen forests. The temperate evergreen forests are mostly found in the warm temperate belt in the mid latitudes. The main regions are along the eastern coastal margins of the continents: southeastern USA, southeast Brazil, South China, South Japan, and the parts of New Zealand. The temperate evergreen forests have a mixed variety of hardwood and softwood trees. The main species of trees in the thick forests are oak, pine, eucalyptus, camphor, etc. The main wildlife in the temperate evergreen forests is antelopes, giant panda, deers, monkeys, voles, and a large variety of birds. The next is the temperate deciduous forests. The temperate deciduous forests in the cool, temperate regions in the higher latitudes where the rainfall is about 75 centimeters. The main regions are northeastern parts of USA, northeastern China, western Europe, southeastern Chile, etc. The trees are mostly of moderate height but have thick trunks and broad leaves. During the winter season, which is mostly dry, the trees shed their leaves and are almost bare. The main trees are oak, ash, beech, chestnut, cherries, walnuts, etc. The wildlife commonly found in the temperate deciduous forests are deers, foxes, wolves, pandas, raccoons, etc. The next we come to is Mediterranean forests. The Mediterranean forests are mostly found along the west and the southwest margins of the continents. The main areas is around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. The other areas outside the Mediterranean Sea region include California state in USA, Southwest Africa, and other parts. The climatic conditions in the Mediterranean region are hot and dry summers and mild rainy winters. The trees here have thick bark, along roots, stiff and hard leaves. The trees are widely spaced with shrubs in between them. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are widely cultivated. The main trees found in this region are figs, olives, oaks, pines, beeches, cedar, etc. There is not much of wildlife over here. Some of them include squirrels, wood rats, rabbits, leopards, foxes, etc. Then comes the coniferous forests. The coniferous forests are also known as taiga. They are found in the northern hemisphere only. The main areas are in the northern part of Canada, Europe, and Asia. These forests are found in higher altitudes. The trees are mostly tall, straight, evergreen softwood trees and have sharp and needle-like leaves. The trees are light and easy to cut. The softwood trees include the pines, spruce, silver fir, etc. The wood from these trees is used for making pulp, which is used for making paper and newsprint. The main animals found in the coniferous forests are mink, silver fox, reindeer, polar bear, etc. Children, that is all for today. In the next session, next video, we will be continuing with the chapter. Thank you.